Today I'm working on a 2015 Audi Q7. Customer's complaint is there's water on the passenger side footwell. It's starting to get warmer outside, so they had the AC on. So that's why I'm right away suspecting that it's the AC drains for the evaporator. So I'm going to show you how to get to those. Same job on a Touareg. There's a couple other models, that have the same thing. Even the older Touaregs have a similar, problem. But Q7, a little bit different. This is what you do. Get under here and pull this panel down. It's just clipped in. There's no screws. Get this light unplugged. Sorry. And if you look right here, it looks like someone's already been in here at one point, but this is your drain for the evaporator. So I'm going to cut this zip tie off, take a container and put it right here. Just take a bottle or something like that and cut it so that it fits here. It's kind of a tight squeeze, and pull this hose off. You can, once the clamp is out of the way, you can just push this back right off the barb, and if it's full, it'll start dumping water everywhere. So you want to make sure you have something under it. So I'm gonna do. Alright, so I'm draining all the water out now. This is completely full. You just pull the hose off, let it drip like this until it's done, and then blow some compressed air through the hose on the car side, not on this back side, on the rubber hose section. Blow some compressed air through it, reattach it, and turn on your AC, and make sure everything is good. So pretty simple fix. I just used a windshield solvent bottle that I cut up, and that's it. So thanks for watching.